YouTube, what's up? So y'all can see I got all my clothes right here. I got some hair products, some medicine. I got a bunch of clothes. I got a bag. I got a bigger bag, and I got my laptop. I'm sorry if my voice sounded a little bit messed up. I was sick over the last few days. Seemed like a lot of people were sick. I'm in Thailand right now. So basically, I want to show y'all how I pack because all of this stuff right here, all of the wires, my technology stuff, the medicine stuff, hair stuff, all these clothes are all gonna go inside of this one bag. So I'm gonna show y'all basically how I'm gonna compact everything and how I trap. So this is gonna be the bag that we're gonna be using in this video. I paid about $130 for this bag. It could pretty much store everything that y'all see on this bed. First thing I always do is I always put my laptop in there since it's my most, valuable item in this trip. And everything else kind of comes after. In this next clip, y'all gonna see like some vacuum storage bags that's gonna come in handy later on. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use it for. And I also just want to give y'all a little bit more advice. So what made me start traveling light and start packing a little bit lighter was the fact that when I had went to Colombia, I remember just putting in my suitcase, I had a PlayStation 5, I had 3 pairs of shoes, I had a bunch of clothes, that I wore every day. And when I got to the front desk, I had paid about $60 to take my suitcase on. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was pissed off, but it really wasn't nobody else's fault but my own. I didn't know the dot regulations or airline policies, so it really fell on me. So with that being said, what y'all want to have is a carry-on bag and a personal item. Now that could be a mini-sized suitcase, a purse, or a book bag. Either one is fine, it just has to be under 7 kilograms. Now you can have 2 of those. Either one could be considered a personal item or a carry-on. The thing is, you just want to make sure that it fits at least above your head in a little cabin bin, or at least under your seat, but you'll be good. So right here, I really want y'all to pay attention because this is like a game changer. Like when I tell y'all before, I was just taking my clothes and I was just rolling them up in my book bag because my book bag has like a vacuum seal thing attached to it too. But if you just look at this bag, like this is just way different from anything that I've ever used. Like it completely took the air out of all the clothes and just really compacted everything. Like you see how thin that is? But also, let me say this. I don't want everybody thinking that y'all all need vacuum seal bags. There's different levels of packing. Like you have the person that just pack normally, just does whatever they want to do. Then you have the person like me. We roll our clothes and use vacuum seal bags, so we can compact and store more things. Then you have the third person that's more like they'll just pack a couple jeans, shirts, and stuff like that. Not really too much because they'll just buy stuff wherever they go. Then you have the fourth person that just pack like a bag of chips in their pocket, and just buy stuff wherever they go. It's kind of similar to the third person, but the fourth person is more, they don't care. Now, I hope y'all been paying attention to this video because if y'all notice, this bag is a whole lot more huskier than the last one. Like, the shirts is more thicker, and I got some pants in here too. Now, y'all see how much stuff I just put in that bag? Now, on top of that, I'm about to put a couple, some beaters in there, and I'm about to put a bunch of underwear in there. So, I'm definitely still not done with this bag yet. Also, and I do want to correct myself from earlier because I did say what made me want to travel light. By all means, this is not traveling light, but I did end up throwing a lot of stuff away just so like when I got to the airport I wouldn't have any trouble. But the main goal is to pack smarter and not have to bring any extra suitcases or anything that we don't need. So right now I'm just vacuum sealing everything because I have the 2 bags in there and I got like some other clothes up top. So I'm just really trying to get like all the air out that bag so I can maximize my space. Alright, so this next part solely depends on you. Like I can't really tell y'all what to pack, on this part. Like if y'all see like this red cap right here with like the red gel in there, that's like my own little hair stuff that I had put in there from like America. Then I got like some shaving stuff. I got my toothbrush and everything. You can see like my facial cleanser, foot shaver. Then I got like some hairspray, like some hair clips. And listen to me when I tell y'all, make sure y'all pack some pain medicine. And also on top of that, pack some diarrhea medicine because you're gonna go to a local stand, you're gonna eat something that your stomach just don't agree with,
and you're going to be on the toilet. So you're going to need something to help you for that. Again, so like when it comes to electronics, skincare, health, I can't really tell y'all what to pack. All I can tell y'all is just make sure y'all are packing stuff that y'all really need. Like if you really don't need it, it's just gonna add to the weight and just cause more problems for you. And whenever I'm going through the airport, I always carry like a side bag where I could put like my phones, my meta glasses, a portable charger, my passport, just all the essential things I'm gonna keep taking out. These airlines make money off people overpacking. When you're about to leave your city, go out the country, go to a different state, you're gonna pay almost a $40 fee just to get your luggage onto the plane. You go to that place, you buy more clothes, now your bag is even heavier. Once you're over 7 kilograms, you're basically gonna pay almost $14 to $20 per kilogram, or you're just gonna get charged a $40 to $60 fee from the airline. So we just want to avoid that so we don't have to pay nothing extra. And this time I definitely packed over 7 kilograms. So I'm going to take this whole bag apart. I'm going to throw some clothes away and then repack. And yeah, I'm going to head to the airport. Also, if you guys like this type of content, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, just so I know, this is the type of stuff y'all want to see. And bye.